Good evening to each and every one of you. I am extremely, I feel proud, privileged to be among all of you here. My father, late Mr. Alvinaz Alimau, when he wanted to shift from the old house to a new house with his family, he thought of Kolwa village. And the world has come around. Today, Lions Club of Kolwa has invited me here. So if he was around today, he would be very proud. My mother would be very proud that I'm among such distinguished, such beautiful people, all of you here who are doing so much for the community. I'm really truly touched. I've been reading this book called You Can Win and How You Win. Trust me, it's nothing to do with the politics since I'm entering actively, but it teaches you how to get along with the community, how to help the community. And whilst I was reading this book, there's one chapter in this book which teaches about academic education and value-based education. So academic education is what we've all been learning about the war, about our history. But then there's something called as value-based education. And value-based education is what we learn from communities like Lions, from people like Bab Mahesh, Bab Jesus, Bab Alkasos, all the members, the previous directors, the previous members of Lions who've been tirelessly working for a good community. Here in Lions Club, I've seen all of you. You all are not looking who's a Hindu, who's a Catholic, who's a Muslim. You all are not looking who's got how much money in their wallets. All you'll see is a good bond of friendship, a good bond of love amongst all of you. I was touched that Bab Mahesh made the joking to give me an introduction about myself. I have a long kind of a relationship with Bab Joachim, and the same goes about my mother's dearest friend, Bhai Nelly. She's seen everything in life. She's gone in politics, she's in social work, she's a teacher, she's a principal. She's got so many feathers up her cap. So it makes me feel really happy that I'm amongst all of you. I'm not speaking here as a politician or as a social worker. I just want to be remembered as a simple young youth of Goa who wants to voice it out, who wants to help, who wants to get rid of all the evil that's coming into Goa. Being a Goan, being a youth, I want to tell Bab Mahesh that I'm there in whatever small way that I can be a part of. I want to be a part of. I've been speaking to my dearest friend Bab Jack over here, who's from my village. As soon as he got to know that I'm the chief guest, he called me up and he said, Warren, you have to be a member now. And Jack, trust me, let's do that quickly. I want to be a member, and I want to do something, that's going to build a community. Politics will come and go. Trust me, I've been into a political family. I know you all will say politics, you become powerful, you become privileged. That's just a small minor part. But today the youth does not want to see the position that you're in. The youth wants to see what you do on ground. I do not want to be considered as a leader. I want to make and I want to create leaders among the youth. Every one of us, every youth, whatever background they come from, everyone should be given that opportunity. I feel very strongly about that, and I just hope and I wish all of you all good luck. I'm going to be a lion very soon as well of Lions Club of Salsette, hopefully. But then congratulations to the previous board members, directors, and to my dearest friend Mahesh. This year is yours, 2025, 2026. You're the president on such an important year where it's the 50th year. So I wish you all the best. I am there not as a politician or social worker, but I'm there as one of you over here to help you out in whichever way you want. So thank you very much for listening to this very boring speech. Because I had a few anecdotes that I wanted to put in, but looking at the way you all are smiling, greeting each other, it truly touched my heart. I'll cherish this moment for the longest time that I can. And thank you again, and God bless you all. Please drive back home safely, and while driving, please wear your seatbelts. Let's go home safely to our loved ones. Thank you. God bless.
Warren's speech came from heart. I'll tell you frankly, he had got something in writing, but thing is, after seeing everything, I think he must be emotionally touched. So he said, just talk from the heart.
It was quite inspiring. Like, even he wanted to, he said in his Twitter he wants to join Lion with us.
When he spoke about it, spoke about a lot of education and what else to do for the youngsters. He is actually doing good at the moment. Whatever he's been doing, he also helped us various times. And I wish him all the best. And may he continue the work what he does right now.
It was very impactful and nice, and they spoke from their heart.
The chief guest spoke very marvelously, apt to the point. What?
We all spoke out of our heart.